Aashaan.
Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Technical Aashaan. Today I'm going to introduce you all an amazing and new online money making app which can be operated on your mobile phone. This is 100% genuine app which can be operated in Android and iOS platform. Currently I'm going to show demo with my iPhone 7 Plus. To download this app, please check the description box below. Also, kindly make sure to download the app with exactly this logo. Guys, now it's time to download the app, and the name of the app is Muhimma, Muhimma. After you download Muhimma App, you can just sign up to join the exciting Muhimma VCB community where you can complete tasks in return for rewards. And the tasks are very easy, fun activities like taking a quick survey from home, becoming a mystery shopper at a coffee shop, or taking pictures of products in a mall. And after you choose a task you would like to complete, simply claim it. Respond to the set of questions, then submit your answer to Muhimma for approval and to claim your reward. And there are two types of reward, which is like a cash reward and normal voucher reward. Now the downloading has been finished. Click open and allow Muhimma to access your location, and click the second option, always allow. Then click on get started. Just go through the instruction, read carefully or you can skip it. And here comes the main page to sign up. Either you can log in with your Facebook account or you can sign up with your email address. Here I'm going to create a new account for educational purpose because I already have an active account where I already started to earn money. Next step is to verify your mobile number, and you have to enter your unique mobile number and you have to verify, and after that you have to double check your mobile number, and after that you will get a number, one code in your mobile. You have to enter it and you have to verify. Now your account is ready to accept the task and surveys provided by Muhimma to get rewarded. To start a survey, select the available survey and just claim this task to start the survey, and answer those set of questions accordingly and submit it for review. It will take you hardly up to 2 to 10 minutes to get accepted and credit the amount into your digital wallet. Now I will log off this account and log into my own account so that it can be helpful to understand and I can show you my earning with proof. I have logged into my account and you can see I have 3 live survey currently available. Before proceeding to take survey, I will show you my total earning I earn by doing surveys and tasks. Here you can see my total earning and it is 63.80. Here are my task history and my total reward is 90, and you can see I have got many surveys I have completed, and for this I have been rewarded. Now currently I have 63.80. To pay out, you have to link your bank account details so that once you reach the threshold of AED 25, you can withdraw. Now currently I have 3 surveys, out of which only 2 are paid for me. Now I am going to complete my surveys one by one and I will show you my balance before and after. Guys, if you have any doubt, I have mentioned the details in the description box below, or you can leave a comment below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest tech videos and online money making tips. Once the survey get approved, you can check your wallet balance. Now you can see the change in my total amount.
Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.